This is a large renovated 2-bedroom, railroad style on First Avenue by 82nd and 83rd. This is overcast right now. This one is one fly up. I have other in the building cheaper. I'm giving concession and cash back as well. There's a closet. That's the bigger room, large closet. And there was another entrance over here. And ceiling fan. That fits a queen size bed, large closet, overhead. So basically the best price is with me because I'm giving cash back concession. Another closet here. Beautiful finish. A mahogany cabinet. Deep sink. Granite counter. That's the living room area. So full appliances. So that was facing west over there in the bigger room, and this is facing north. Great management company, super, lives nearby. The heat and hot water is included. And this is the bathroom. And it has a fan as well.